Sorry, big truck went by. Say again? Cool. Using the razor blade to take them off? It looks like it, eh? Even doing a great job cleaning the cushions. Almost done, eh? Got the Bimini and Dodger installed. Took a while to figure out how all those stainless steel brackets go, but to figure them out. Looks like a nice size. Seems pretty comfy in there. It's got some of these side spray things too for spraying in. So now I'm just working on the hull scratches there. I'm going to do a paint job. Hopefully I can get matching paint or something close there because the colors are alright. Anti-fouls all done. And I'm going to just give the brown a refresh. And the cream. Doing a good job. Looking good, David.
My dad is sanding and he's getting ready to paint. He's sanding the hull. And as you can see, he's holding on to keep his balance.
Oh, we're getting there slowly. So we cleaned her all down, sanded it with 220, used the brushing liquids to take off all of the dust, and then just gave a little bit of primer coat over areas where we sanded a little bit too much, or in some cases we needed to because we were getting rid of a whatever they're called, like a divot in the hull. You can still see here there's a little bit of more work needs to be done on those ones right there. So I'll do that tomorrow. And we got all the letters off and painted up the back. It's looking good. It's coming along. So hopefully we'll get our first coat on tomorrow of white. So we'll see how it goes. You can really see those scratches right there. I gotta do another paste and sand in there. Oh, you can't see them from afar, but alright, so first coat of white Interlux Brightside paint. So it's nice and shiny, that's for sure. A few little spots where you can see. I'm going to do a little touch up and little cracked paints here and there, so I still got to do a few little touch ups, which I will do, but it's a good first coat. It's really shiny, eh? There's no runs, which is nice. If it's too perfect of a hull, then it's going to be too perfect, right? It needs to have a few scratches on it. So yeah, I'll tell you, this wind is really picking up, so I'll have my tape bolts on. More later.
So my dad just painted one side of his boat here, I think. Yeah, one side. And as you can see, he's just doing the end over there. And he's also done the back right here. And this is the second coat. He's already put the first coat of paint on, and right now he's doing the second coat.
How's it looking?
It looks good. My dad is just sanding the outside of the hull because we just finished the second coat of paint, and you need to sand all the bumps that were made.
We're sanding in between coats so
Yeah.
that the paint will adhere the last coat. That's why we're sanding. It's looking good though.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah, we're done.
So now it's my good buddy David's turn to do the wiping. Just
Doing the third and final coat of painting the top part of the hull. Yeah. done the other side of the boat, so we're just working on this side now. And we did the back over there already.
Third coat, are they going on?
Yep. My dad is just going to clean the filter. If you want to see that. What the filter does is it stops like paint flakes from coming out of the sprayer and onto like the actual hull of the boat, because you don't want little bumps on the paint. You just want it smooth, so that's what the filter's for. But you have to clean it every once in a while. So.
Is it recording? So I mixed the thinner in it so that way I kind of use that as my measuring cup. And I always leave a little bit of paint in the bottom so that way when I'm adding new paint, it's still the original paint with thinner in it. If I add new paint, then I gotta add thinner, mix it all. So this mixes pretty good. That's good. Check wall. That's good.
So we're almost finished the third and final coat of paint that we're putting on this hull.